Hello everyone, this is Tech20 and today we're covering how to move columns in Excel. What we're going to do is go ahead and start out with our data here. Got our first name, last name. You've seen this data before in my other videos. If you haven't, take some time to go check those out. What we're looking at is let's say we want to move the balance and replace the account number with that balance. So what we're going to do is just go and right click, cut. I'll make that little ants. And go ahead and right click on the D, and you can just go ahead and hit paste. That will move that over. Now if you just want to switch sides, so let's say you just want to move the balance over to the left of account, you do the same thing. So let me go ahead and hit escape so you can see this from start to finish. Right click, cut. You can always use Control X as well, and then Control V will paste right over it, so you don't want to use that in this instance. What I want to do is go ahead and right click on the D up here for the column. Go ahead and do insert copied cell, or insert cut cells, I apologize. And that will move the account over to the E column and put the balance in the D column. And if you found this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to check out one of my other videos on Excel or anything else, as I will be posting these as quickly as I possibly can to get you some content out there so you can use. And if there's anything that you would like to see me cover, though, please leave it in the comments below. I've also added a community post that I'm probably going to end up pinning or reposting frequently, so you can go ahead and add that information there. Thanks and have a great day.